Welcome to Lakshman Biology. Another example for recessive lethality is the achondroplasia. Achondroplasia. Okay, first of all, we'll discuss what is achondroplasia. Later, we'll discuss why it is example for recessive lethality. If you see the achondroplasia, it is the autosomal dominant disorder. Dominant disorder. Autosomal dominant disorder in which the gene is mutated. Gene mutated. The name of the gene which is mutated is FGFR3. FGFR3. FGFR3, normal FGFR3 gene will produce the protein. This protein is responsible for the conversion of cartilage into the bone. Actually, in embryo, directly bones will not form. In embryo, human embryo, first what will form? Cartilage will form. Cartilage will form. Later that cartilage is become into bone, which requires certain proteins for conversion of cartilage into bone. The protein which are responsible for the conversion of cartilage into bone is mutated. Because of that, the persons who has achondroplasia contain normal body, but bones are very short. Bones are short like this. Here I am going to draw the diagram. This is the head. This is the head of the person who has achondroplasia. Head. They cannot grow more than 4.2 feet. If it is a male, height is up to 4.2 feet. If it is a female, the height is up to 4.1 feet. See, hand very short. Another hand very short. Body is normal, but if we see the legs are again short. This is the achondroplasia disorder. Person contains short. Long bones are not increase its length. Short legs, short hands, and long bones in the body is not increase its length. Okay, hence the person is short. If it is a male, less than 4.2 feet, less than 4.2 feet. If it is the female, they can grow only up to 4.1 feet. That is the achondroplasia. Achondroplasia is due to mutation in genes. Then if you see the genotype of achondroplasia, when it happened, that also will see. Example, it is autosomal dominant disorder, hence the both in heterozygous condition and homozygous condition we can see disorder. If you see the male who has heterozygous condition and female who has a homozygous condition. Here first one is male, second one is female who has heterozygous condition, means both contain disorder. This is the male contain disorder, female contain disorder. Genotype is heterozygous dominant. If they get marriage, then if you see the formation of alleles, one allele with dominant condition, another one gamete contain 50% gametes are receive the dominant allele, 50% gametes will receive the recessive allele. From male and female both same only. Then if you see the possible genotypes by using the Punnett square, there is a 25% offsprings which contain homozygous dominant condition. Then 50% offsprings contain heterozygous dominant condition. 25% contain homozygous recessive condition. Here, these dominant alleles in the homozygous condition are mutated alleles. these are the lethal genotype. Lethal genotype. If the person contain homozygous dominant or homozygous condition for lethal alleles, that leads to death. This persons will death. There is no person with a homozygous condition, homozygous dominant condition here, or with two mutated alleles. These will die. These are becoming to dwarf. Dwarf is nothing but those are disease. They will get the disease, that is achondroplasia. Heterozygous condition also the disease is develops. Hence, these two persons who has heterozygous condition got the achondroplasia. The person who has recessive alleles, those are becoming to normal. In achondroplasia, what you can observe, the persons who has two mutated alleles, that is two capital A's here, will die. In heterozygous condition, those will get the disorders. In homozygous recessive condition, we can see the formation of normal person. That is about achondroplasia disorder, in which if you observe here, the genotypic phenotypic ratio is 2:1 because one member will die who has homozygous condition for mutated alleles. Thank you. In next class, we will see the next example.